everyone, this is Mari.
And Jerome. And as you can see, we're wearing sweaters, which means that the temperatures have started to drop. So now it is time to go ahead and protect our tropical trees.
So join us in turning our garage into a greenhouse.
Let's go.
And we are back outside. Everything is empty right now. However, we do have some conifers and deciduous that can stay outdoors, and we like to protect them as well.
Yes, so smaller trees, we like to put them on the ground and cover them with hay, straw, shredded leaves, pine bark, or anything like that. We use long pine needles. They're really good for insulation. But a big tree like that we cannot put on the ground because it's very heavy, we're going to put a little fence around it and then fill that in with those long pine needles, and that will help to insulate the pot and keep the roots warm throughout the winter time.
So tag along because we're going to show you.
So we just finished moving all of our tropical bonsai trees into the garage, which by the way happens to be insulated. We also installed some grow lights as well as some fans to circulate the air. We also then installed some thermostats on tree height level to make sure that we can keep the temperature around the trees always around 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right, so we are done with the setup for today. The Brazilian rain tree didn't fit through the door, so we actually have to put it in this place of the garage, and this area is not as warm as the one in there, so we added a blanket for the tree.
Yes, and so now that the trees are indoors, we don't have to water them as frequently as when they are outside. So indoors we water them like once a week, but we spot check. We don't want them to be too wet, And we also don't give them a full water, we just give them a little drizzle with the watering can or a spray bottle, something like that. And that's it.
We hope you find this video helpful, and we have put in the description every item that we used today. So if you're thinking of doing the same, you're gonna be able to check it out on the description of this video.
Yes, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe to our awesome YouTube channel, and we'll catch you guys next time.